Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Media Center of Indian Hajj Mission, Makkah. The news read by Abdul Aziz. Today's headlines. In last 24 hours, 3,179 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have returned to India safely after performing Hajj. In last 24 hours, 500 Hajjaj-e-Kiram moved to Medina Munawwara from Makkatul Mukarramah. Good news for Indian Hajjaj-e-Kiram that one baby has born in Makkatul Mukarramah. And in last 24 hours, 4 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have expired. The news in details. Yesterday on 5th November 2012, 11 flights have departed from Jeddah International Airport to India, carrying 3,179 Hajjaj-e-Kiram who have reached India safely after performing Hajj. Till now, 44 flights have departed from Jeddah International Airport to India, carrying 13,291 Hajjaj-e-Kiram. They reached safely at India. In last 24 hours, 500 Hajjaj-e-Kiram moved to Medina Munawwara from Makkatul Mukarramah. As of now, 1,11,597 Hajjaj-e-Kiram are in Makkatul Mukarramah and 13,352 Hajjaj-e-Kiram are in Medina Munawwara. In last 24 hours, 61 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have reported for cash loss at Makkatul Mukarramah and 2 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Medina Munawwara. Till now, 782 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have reported for cash loss at Makkatul Mukarramah and 207 Hajjaj-e-Kiram reported at Medina Munawwara, and they have been provided relief. Good news for Indian Hajjaj-e-Kiram that one baby has born in Makkatul Mukarramah. Her mother name is Miraj and father name is Irfan Sheikh. The family belongs to Gujarat State, India. Till now, 3 babies has born, out of which one has born in Medina Munawwara and 2 have born in Makkatul Mukarramah. In last 24 hours, 13,008 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have utilized the benefits of medical facilities, out of which 12,685 Hajjaj-e-Kiram in Makkatul Mukarramah, 302 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Medina Munawwara and 21 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Jeddah. Till now, 3,86,651 Hajjaj-e-Kiram had availed the medical facilities of Indian Hajj Medical Mission. In last 24 hours, 4 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have expired at Makkatul Mukarramah. May Allah rest their souls in peace and grant them Jannah. Till date, 139 Hajjaj-e-Kiram have expired, out of which 97 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Makkatul Mukarramah, 19 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Medina Munawwara and 1 Haji at Jeddah, and 22 Hajjaj-e-Kiram at Mashayar. All the Hajjaj-e-Kiram had natural death. And that's the end of this news bulletin. Allah Hafiz.